For our end range strengthening and conditioning for our side leg lifts, you're going to want some sort of a surface that helps you lift your leg to a challenging height. If you're someone who's got a bit stiffer hips and it's hard for you to lift that leg really, really far out to the side, I suggest using a very low table like a coffee table or a couple yoga blocks. For someone with a little bit more flexible hips or a little bit more hip strength, you can start on a higher surface. Whatever surface you're using, we're going to make sure our hip bones are pointing forwards. Our leg is open up out to the side, either hanging out on a tower of blocks, a chair, table, something that's keeping that foot up. And I want it to be at a height where it feels really, really challenging to lift that foot in the air. We're working on our end range strength. That strength that's just at that end range of motion that we can barely use. Making sure we're not tilting to the side as we're lifting that leg. This should feel nice and squeezy through our quads, through our glutes, keeping that leg turned out to the side. This is very easy and you can lift your leg higher off your surface. That means you get to make your surface taller, maybe using a countertop, something like that. If you can't quite get your leg off that surface without bending your knee, it means we're going to use a lower surface, perhaps just a couple yoga blocks. We're barely lifting that leg off the ground. Again, making sure those hips are nice and stable, aiming for 8 to 12 lifts on each leg.
If you liked this video and you're looking for more free flexibility training advice, there's a lot more where that came from on my website, where I regularly post blog posts with stretching tips, as well as detailed stretch breakdowns like this video. You can check it out at DannyWinksFlexibility.com.